Once upon a time, in a vibrant village in Jamaica in the 1950s, there lived a young woman named Marva. She was known across the village for her radiant smile and her fragrant mangoes, which she sold every morning at the corner of the bustling market. Marva's life was simple, but filled with a warm spirit that touched everyone she met. Her laughter was like sunshine, and her kindness was as plentiful as the mangoes she sold. One bright morning, as Marva arranged her mangoes, a young man named David passed by. He was a wallpaper seller, known for his artistry with colors and patterns that brought life to the dullest walls. David's eyes caught Marva's, a soft, soulful gaze that made his heart beat a little faster. He paused, mesmerized by her beauty and the gentle way she handled her mangoes. Day after day, David found himself returning to the market, not just to sell his wallpapers, but to catch a glimpse of Marva. Their eyes would meet, and a silent, warm connection grew between them. One afternoon, as the sun dipped low, casting golden hues over the village, David finally gathered his courage. He approached Marva, holding a small, beautifully patterned piece of wallpaper he had brought for her. "Marva," he said softly, "your smile reminds me of the bright Jamaican sun, and your kindness is as sweet as the mangoes you sell. I'd love to share a moment with you, perhaps under the shade of the mango trees, where we can talk and dream together." Marva's cheeks flushed with a gentle warmth. With a shy smile, she nodded. That evening, under the sprawling mango trees, they sat side by side, sharing stories and laughter. David showed her his wallpapers, and Marva told him about her dreams of opening a small shop. Their love blossomed like the lush Jamaican countryside, warm and intense, rooted in simple kindness and genuine affection. From that day on, their lives intertwined. Marva's mangoes and David's wallpapers became symbols of their love, vibrant and full of life. And in that small village, their story became a sweet melody of warm, intense love, a love that grew like the mango trees, sweet and everlasting, in the heart of Jamaica.